Hello, let's look at how to report on what is the web conversion rate by industry or the company size. The insights here are that you can figure out the segment of users that find your product solution or content more valuable than say others, or you can generate more content for such segments that actually find your content product solutions more valuable, right? Now, uh, uh, here is one such report wherein we are looking at the web conversion rate from the time the user visits the website to the time they fill out the form on the website, and we are breaking it down by the industry over here. And as you can see, though we get a lot of traffic from business services as an industry, the conversion rate is 3.2%, which is almost 40% of 7% over here, which is the software and technology, right? Which is one of the highest and the best performing segment. Sorry, it's not segment, industry, right? That is working out well for us. Then we have education. Again, if you see, even if you look at education, it's even better performing than business services and so on and so forth. Now we can do the same thing for breaking it down by, let's say, the employee size over here, employee range. So as you can see, smaller companies are finding it. I mean, we do get a lot of traffic from large companies, but as you can see, we do well with companies of smaller size, right? As you can see, the conversion rate is super high over here in these segments, right? You can also use a combination of an industry and let's say employee range and so on and so forth, right, over here. So yeah, I hope this helps you get these insights. If you have any more questions, let me know. Just a FYI, in order to get the employee range, the industry, these firmographics details at a traffic level, we partner with Sixth Sense. We have partnered with Sixth Sense in this case to provide this de-anonymized data, which is a paid feature. So just thought I should just let you know that. Thank you.